Nope. That's square. Finally that one. That's just a kid. I'm so anxious. Let's get gasket this way as well. I think I basically want to clear this side first. But for now I just want to sort this situation out since there's movement from the north, so... Civilian.
Cripes!
Oh dear. You should get a headshot from there, shouldn't you? He's still fine. I mean, he's not fine, he's critical, but he survived. No, don't knife me. I gain agility. That's pretty cool. Dodging a knife gains you agility. I guess it makes sense. I don't think I've ever managed to dodge a knife before. Come on, I want to kill that dude. Definite sound of movement from the east. God, there's so much sounds. I don't trust it one bit. I kind of want to get Dimitri over on this side, to be honest. Please don't get shot. Yeah, just finish it. It's not like you can miss if he's basically standing a couple of centimeters away from you, so... I think I should go back to that square. Play it safe. Thor had movement from the east, so... That's nothing. Ooh, I really expected there to be enemies. Fine. Oh, I just realized that Gasket's skill is lockpicking. That's pretty good. One of my mercs has lockpicking, so...
I heard something.
North and northwest, is it? I wonder if that's a civilian in that building. Or if it's just a horde of mercenaries. Oh, that's the wrong... God, those things look so similar. Or that's my excuse for not seeing my mercenaries. So, turn that way. Let's continue sitting here, to the north. I mean, if someone's gonna come by, well, at least we'll see him, so... Again, he's still fine. I think I should really stay away from these lights. My mercenary should be totally in the open now, so... That's not good. Let's get him over there, away from the damn light. I don't know, I kind of want to stick there with Thor, but you should probably stick with the group. Oh, this is risky. This is probably going to get him shot at. Northeast this time. Oh dear. That is why you save action points. Go, kill it. Don't miss, you bloody fool. Yeah, that was quite bad, Eternal. That was quite bad.
Yes.
Next time, don't miss the guy standing right in front of you. Please. Let's see if we can hit him this time. Oh my god. Seriously. How can you miss him? How do you manage?
Yes.
Maybe if I shoot his legs or something? My god. How's that guy doing it? How's he dodging my bullets from, yeah, mere centimeters away? Maybe the game's telling me to move back or something? I don't know. I mean, from here he's still going to get killed. No, he's not. That's weird. Yeah,
yes.
No doubt you hear stuff from the north. Let's, yeah, continue sitting there, I guess. They should be pretty good over there. Still, that was a really weird situation where I could just not hit that dude. Maybe there was a bug or something. I don't know. I'm hoping it was not. Ooh, can you hit him? I don't know. You can. And it's silence as well, so...
Super!
That was pretty good, dude. That was pretty good.
Yo, I heard something. Bad guys.
This time, let's see if you can do it. Oh, I'm glad he's within range at least. I'm glad he didn't have more action points, but...
Right.
Oh dear. No, no, no. You son of a bitch. This, yeah, I think my feeling was right that this was going to be a long and tough battle. Jesus Christ, man. I might just have to make the objective of this set to be conquering this area. I wanted to more, to be honest. But I think I'm going to even struggle with this. Like, well, what's the good thing to do here? Take a quick shot and then hope for the second interrupt on that other dude? And hopefully have enough action points to also kill him? I mean, that's really... Yeah, I mean, I can't even hit that guy, so... Let me guess, he's going to walk out, aim down, and kill me.
Right!
At least the numbers were different this time. I think, at least.
What was that?
So, yeah, I don't know. Well, what should I do? Should I climb on the roof or something? And pray for the best? Because I think he'll still get hit, but... Let's try it.
Right!
Oh dear. That was not a good move. Oh god. How many of you are there? Seriously. How do you all see him from that distance on the roof?
What was that?
You guys have some amazing eyesight. Truly. But yeah, I mean, he survived the turn at least. Not in a great condition, but he survived the turn. So, get over there. Lie down. Yeah, that's the best thing to do, I guess. I'm tempted to move Ira over to this side, because that guy might just walk over, and then we're in a whole world of trouble. Oh yeah, that was a great reload. One bullet. Yeah, let's just use that one. I kind of want to let turn. Oh, she can't even turn around now. Damn, I had no idea that reloading took that much action points, to be honest. Should pay more attention to that.